Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to learn about some product. So friends, if you are watching my video first time and if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist. In playlist, you can find Excel for beginners which contains 33 videos and Excel level 2 folders which contain 47 videos. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, you can see here. Now I want to find the total sales amount, and I have columns like customer, product, price, quantity. Now first, before calculating the total sales amount, first I have to calculate individual transaction amount, right? So before calculating the total sales amount, what should I do? I should calculate individual amount, then only I can calculate the total sales amount, right? So let us start first calculating the transaction amount. For example, here the first transaction, you can see a customer buy TV, four TV he has buy, each one is the 20,000, right? So how to calculate the amount? Price into quantity. So let us start. Price into quantity, that means D4 into E4, enter. Nice, now I am done with the amount, right? So I am done with the first transaction amount. Now let me drag this one. Nice. So I'm done with all the transactions. Now I want to find the total sales amount. So to find the total sales amount, I will do, I will just use some function, and I will select whole column, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see I got the total sales amount which is 2,43,000. Nice, right? Now I can also do the same by using some product, but in some product I doesn't require a amount column. That means I doesn't need to calculate individual transactions. I can do with the help of price and quantity directly. So let us see how this will work. So I will type is equal to product some product. First select the pri, uh, price column, comma, quantity column. Once again, price column, comma, quantity column, close bracket, enter. That's it. You can see here the amount is same. So instead of calculating individual transactions and adding all the transaction, you can also directly do with the sum product. Sum product doesn't need a additional column. You can do it with directly with the price and quantity. Nice, right? This is how easily sum product will do. And there are few other advantages sum product has. Let us see what are the other advantages we have with the sum product. First one, count with criteria. So whenever I say count with criteria, we will use count if function in general, right? So here, instead of count if function, I am going to use sum product. So let us see. I will take a small example. For example, I want to find the number of transaction done by the customer A. So to count the customer's A's transaction, I will use sum product. So let me type sum product first criteria. So first criteria I will take within the bracket. So whenever you are dealing with the criteria, you have to write within the bracket. So let me select whole column, customer column. In the customer column, what I'm searching for the customer A, right? So I will type A, close bracket. So whenever you are taking single array, you have to type into one. So remember, whenever you are dealing with the single array, you have to type into one, otherwise you doesn't need. Okay, so whenever you are multiplying something with one, automatically the answer will be same, right? So you doesn't need to worry. So click enter, see. Nice, I got the answer 4. You can see there are 4 A transactions. This is the first transaction, this is the second transaction, this is the third transaction, and this is fourth transaction. Nice. Suppose if I want to count the number of transactions done by the customer A on TV. So now I have multiple criteria. So second one is the multiple criteria, right? So first one we have only single criteria. Second one we have multiple criteria. So let us see how we can do this. So whenever I say count with multiple criteria, we will use count if in general, right? So here instead of count if, I am going to use sum product. So let us see how we can do it. So sum product. So what is the first criteria? It's a customer column. In the customer column, what I have to search? I have to search is equal to A, right? So is equal to A, close, into. Now I have to select the second criteria. So what is the second criteria? Product, right? So in product, what I'm searching? I'm searching for TV. So I will type is equal to TV. Close the quotation, close the bracket, close the main bracket, enter. So once again, B selected the whole customer column. In the customer column equals to A. So I'm searching for the A customer, right? And in the second criteria, I have selected whole product, and in the product I am searching for the TV, right? So let me click enter. See, I got the answer 2. So there are two transactions, it seems. So one is the here the first transaction, and next one sec 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so second one is the eighth transaction. So first transaction ATV, which quantity is 4 and amount is 80,000, and eighth transaction quantity sorry, ATV quantity is 1 and amount is 20,000. Nice. So we got the answer 2. Nice, right? Now let us move to the next one. Suppose if I want to find the sum product with criteria. Sum product with criteria. So generally we will calculate the sum with criteria by using sum if, right? So instead of sum if, I am going to use sum product. So let us see how this will work. So I will type sum product. So now again, first I will calculate the sum. So I'm going to use price into quantity, close bracket. Now criteria. So what is the criteria I have? Let us assume I want to find the total amounts of sale done by the customer B. So what I have to search? I have to search in the customer. So what I am searching is equal to B, right? So customer B. Okay, so let me keep this also in the bracket. Okay, now let me close the main bracket, enter. Nice, it is showing 83,000. So let us see here you can see B transaction. First one is the 13,000, second one is the 40,000. So first one, second one, 13 plus 40, it's a 53. Next 30,000, so 53 plus 30, it's 83. Nice, so we got the right answer. Let us move to the next one. Some product with multiple criteria. Now I want customers A TV product amount. So total sales done by the customer A on TV product, sorry, product TV, right? Now I want to find the total sales done by the customer on product TV, right? So let us see how this will work. So I'll type again some product. Okay, so again open bracket, calculate the total sum, which is price into quantity, close the bracket. Now into first criteria. What is the first criteria? A, right? Customer A. So I will select whole customer column. In the customer column, what I am searching is equal to customer A, right? So I'll type quotation. Sorry, I will type A in the double quotation, comma. Now second criteria, not comma, close bracket, into open bracket. So what is the second criteria? Product, right? In product, what I am searching? TV. So is equal to TV. Close bracket, close main bracket, enter. See, I got I got the answer 1 lakh. That means 100,000, right? So let us see how this will work. So here you can see A TV 80,000, and again you can see here A TV 20,000. So total is 1 lakh. Nice. So I got the right answer. So some product with multiple criteria. So generally we will do some by using sum if, by using amount column, and we will use sum if. So instead of sum if, I can also do some product with criteria by using some product function. Nice, right? So let us move to the next one, lookup function. So generally if you are searching for a lookup value, you will use VLOOKUP for a vertical table, right? So but instead of VLOOKUP, I am going to use some product, and let us see how this will work. For example, I want to find the customer D's sales amount, right? To do this, I will type is equal to some product. Again, first price into quantity, price into quantity, close bracket, into now criteria, right? So what is the criteria? Criteria is customer. In the customer, what you are searching? We are searching for the D customer, right? So let me close the bracket. Okay, I didn't open, I forgot to open. So let me open the bracket. Okay, so let me close the main bracket. Enter. Nice. It is showing 13,000. You can see here customer D, it's a 13,000. Nice. Nice, right? So this is how we can also replace VLOOKUP by using some product. So some product can also do lookup values. Nice. Next, two-way lookup. Suppose if you want to search row wise and column wise, you can also do with the help of some product. So generally we will use index plus match, right? So instead of plus match, I can also do the same by using some product. So let us see. For example, I want to find the uh, amount of sales done on mobile. Okay, so I will select the column, then I will select the row. So let us see how this will work. So I will type is equal to some product, open bracket. First I will select the criteria of, sorry, first I will select the whole price, quantity, amount column. Okay, close bracket, into. So what is the next, what is the criteria? Product, right? So let me select the product. In the product, what I am searching, I am searching for the mobile. So I will type mobile. Very good. Close bracket. Right, into. Now what is the my criteria for the column? It's a price, right? Sorry, amount, right? So I will just open the bracket. I will select price, quantity, amount. Okay, so in this, what I am searching, I am searching for the amount, right? So I will type amount in the quotation, close bracket, close main bracket, enter. Now you can see it's a mobile. What is the amount of mobile? 10,000. Nice. So this is how we can also do two-way lookup by using some products. So a sum product is replacing countifs, sumifs, VLOOKUP and index match. So these are the advantages we can do other than the total sales amount. So other than the total sales amount, some product can do count with criteria, count with multiple criteria, some product with criteria, some product with multiple criteria, lookup and two-way lookup. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.